Hi guys, today we're going to work on taking sentences and turning them into math. We're going to be using inequalities like less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. These two are the ones we're really going to focus on because those are the ones that are trickiest in word problems. Let's take a look. The maximum age you can be to order off the kids menu is 10 years old. If I want to write this using numbers and symbols, the first thing I want to do is figure out what we're talking about here. The maximum age you can be to order off the kids menu is 10 years old. So I know that there's going to be some age of a kid, and I'm going to compare it to 10 years old. I know that this needs to be less than 10 because it says maximum, and maximum means the oldest you can possibly be is 10 years old. So I want to compare the age, whatever the age is, to 10 years old. And in order to eat off the kid menu, the age must be less than or equal to 10 years old. What this sentence reads is the age is less than or equal to 10 years old. And that's in order to eat off the kids' menu. A lot of these are going to be common sense, but what you need to do is just slow down and think about what they're actually asking you. To go on the benchmark field trip, you need to score basic or above on at least 3 benchmarks. Well, if I want to turn this one into an inequality, I know we're talking about number of basics. Notice how I'm turning it into words first. And I'm going to compare the number of basics I get to 3. In order to go, I need to get basic or above on at least 3. At least means the smallest number possible that you can get basic or above on is 3. So my number of basics needs to be greater than or equal to 3. One more. More than 10 people can fit at a table in the cafeteria. Again, think about common sense here. No more than 10. No more than 10 is just another way of saying less, which actually makes sense because if there are only 10 seats, you can't have more than 10 people. So what are we comparing here? We're comparing the number of people at a table, and we're comparing that to 10 seats. Well, if there are 10 seats, then the number of people has to be less than or equal to 10. They didn't give me a variable here for the number of people who can sit at a table. I'm just going to use t. T, the number of people at a table, is less than or equal to 10. Piece of cake. Your turn to practice.